What's up, guys? It's your good old cousin Cletus right back at you with another unboxing. I have 50 alien invasion keys, and then I only could get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 of the yellow ones. So I'm going to save those till last, just because I know that those have things like the Universal Translator, the Corona Australis, things like that. So I'm going to work on these black ones real quick, and let's get started. I don't want to take too long because I know this is going to be a long video. I don't have video editing stuff, so I'm going to just try to knock my way through this and hopefully get something good. I do not know. I do know the other day I unboxed a what was it? It was a Tundra Top. It was a circling peace sign, which wasn't too bad in and of itself, but got a fun on that. I'm really hoping with it, and that was the unusual is about 15-20 cases ago, so you know we'll get it squared away. But I've never opened the black boxes a lot. It's been something that I've always steered clear of, but I figured, you know, why not? Sorry, had to take a drink, but I just if you've watched my other videos, I do a lot of unboxing, and it's just for the fun of it. It's extra money that I've saved up just to do this for you guys. I'm not you know, I'm not doing anything crazy or anything, but it's just all the fun. I'm a medic main, medic and spy. Oh, gotta say this. Medic and spy main. Play a lot of medic, and we're getting a lot of those guys. I'll probably end up doing another video of me upgrading them. I forget what that's called. The Manco trading update or something. And from there, I will, what's the word, I will try to upgrade to something red, because I'll definitely have enough blues with that. But so far, not even strange. If we get unusual this time, you know, that'd be fantastic. If not, you know, hey, it's a game though. It did get the space hamster hammy, which is pretty dope. I've never been a fan of him. I mean, he looks cool, but I've just never been a fan. But yeah, it's not terrible. It's my first pink, actually first time I've ever unboxed him. Because I typically unbox the other crates more often than not than these black crates. I unbox the yellow ones. So I get a lot of good stuff out of those. But you know, see what happens. Tickets on tickets. Hopefully everyone's had a good day. I kind of am rambling because I don't normally talk in my videos. I just do the unboxings, and I'm just kind of like, I can now understand why people have to have a strange part there. Have to have like I don't want to say a list or something, just saying this is what we're going to talk about, so they can look down for notes. But I do not have that today. Oh, sorry, I had to take a drink. But in the future, I will. Hopefully this new update drops. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever seen that on a pyro at all. But yeah, I did see that they updated localization files and things like that, and you know, it's crazy. Let's see, got more black boxes here. But you know, I'm excited for this new update. Unusual fire, nice. Kazatsky kick, not too bad. So, and then Kiper, not bad. I don't think I have the Kazatsky kick taunts. That's the thing. And actually, so what I was reading into is, although you unbox unusual card, it does not count as the drop rate of unusuals because it is on a separate. It's considered a bonus item. And so theoretically, potentially, I can still get an unusual. Will that happen? Probably not. I have okay luck when it comes to unboxing, but I haven't even gotten strange yet. So a lot of this deep commitment. Then there's that Jupiter jetpack again that I've never seen a pyro wear in the history of ever, which is kind of crazy. And these cadet visors, is that what? Yeah, cadet visors. Shit. I'd have a whole army of rangers. And then there's Nebula. I just unboxed a Nebula head full of hot air. You gotta be kidding me. And that's what I was just talking about, guys. That's insane. And it's Nebula. Like, sorry, I had to take a drink, but I mean, another freaking Nebula. I just unboxed about a month or two ago a universal translator. And, boom, we got another Nebula for, I believe this one's for Pyro. Yeah, it's for Pyro. See, there's my universal translator for with Nebula that I unboxed, and it's my dream unusual. Like the first time I saw Cosmic Afro, actually have it, and I saw the effect for the first time before playing TF2. It was something that I always wanted, and I actually unboxed it in a trade server a while back, and then now I have another Nebula. That's absolutely insane, and it would be Nebula. I'm so glad. Like all the other unusual effects, I mean, are okay, but I mean Nebula is just gorgeous. I mean, that's all I have to say. It's just a gorgeous effect. I would absolutely love to get the